Installation steps of bidet. First, turn off the corner valve and washing out of the water in the tank. Unscrew pipe connector. Install T-connector. Dismantle the seat cover from toilet. Take use the seat cover fixing bolts. Then, install the bidet on the toilet. Adjust the hole position of bidet. Special reminder: the bidet fixing hole can be adjustable at 330 degrees, freely according to the toilet hole position. It is compatible with various types of toilets. Then, put the original toilet seat cover parts on it. Installation will not affect the normal use of the cover plate. Connect stainless flexible hose or PU pipe to the bidet inlet connector and tighten up. Fix the other end to water supply valve or hot water valve. At last, open angel valve. Check each connector lest any leakage caused. Functional demonstration. Side knob. Available in freely adjustable water volume and temperature. There is also nozzle self-clean activate. Nozzle position adjust the range 26 degrees. Realize one spray nozzle for both posterior and feminine cleaning. Removable cleaning of nozzle. Easy maintain and hygienic. No need electricity. Prevent backflow design, saving water supply net. Escort to private health, respectively.